Good morning, Mrs. Cahill's class. Hope everyone is doing well this morning and having a great week so far. We are here to do our daily number corner for Tuesdays, so let's get started. All right, so here we are. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Let's see what we have today. Before I start, I did send a link on our Facebook group and also in Google Classroom as a material. If you wanted to follow along and fold the shapes with me, if you have access to a printer, you can print them. Otherwise, show them on your screen, take a piece of paper, put it on your screen and trace it. That's actually what I do because it's easier for me. I trace them and then I can fold them with you. So if you want to do that, right now would be a great time to pause the video to do number 14, to cut it out. If not, we're going to get started. So let's check and see what the 14th is for today. We have a quadrilateral. So let's see if this quadrilateral, if it folds into two. As you can see, I trace. You can see that my really poorly drawn pen, but I try my best. So here we go. Let's see if it is symmetrical. I got that it is symmetrical, at least one way, in halves, but I'm going to check and see if it would be symmetrical in fourths. Now, judging by looking at it, I don't think it's going to be symmetrical, so I'm not going to. I know that it will be in halves, so let's log that. Okay, so today is the 14th, April 14th, 2020. We have a quadrilateral, and it is in halves. It does not go any further. And absolutely, yes, it is symmetrical. How many days in school today? Let's take a look. All right, so yesterday we had 139 days in school, and the question was for popsicle sticks, so we're going to save that to when we get to our popsicle sticks. But let's add another day in school today. I think that we just got another decade day. How exciting. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. It's 140 days in school today, or out of school. Learning online and all that fun stuff. So 140 days. Written form, 140 days. Oops, I definitely spelled that wrong. There we go. And how many hundreds? There is 100 in 140 plus how many tens? How many tens? There's 4 tens, which also equals 40. And how many ones? There are 0 ones today. Oops, I need to make a space. Equals 140. Now, expanded form would be our equation. Your question for today is going to be write an equation for today. Let me show you how we're going to be doing that. It's going to be switching a little bit. This is your response, so you're going to get your very own page to respond to instead of being able to see everyone's. So, for example, it says number corner for 14 question, write an equation for days in school, which is 140, and you're going to put your answer in this white box here. So just click, write your answer. You're obviously not going to type answer, but that's what it would look like. And then you can go off of it, and I will be able to see it when you submit it. So I will do my equation. Remember, I can use my hundreds, tens, and ones to help me. There's 100 plus how many tens? There's 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, plus how many ones? 0. And that equals 140. Perfect. Let's check out our popsicle sticks for today. So we are in week 3 of popsicle sticks. And let's check and see how many we can get today. We got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, before I get any further, I want to show you how we did from the last time we did this yesterday. So here is when everyone could see everyone's, which I wanted to change it. So let's take a look at everyone's responses. So Noah, nice job. Elizabeth, awesome. Hannah, AJ, Sawyer, Cooper, Austin, Aubrey, Rowan, Michaela, Evelyn, and McGuire, fantastic job. If you didn't get a chance to put it in here yet, that's okay. Just keep working your best. Clara, nice job. And oh, Austin, I see Austin's as well. He did send me his too, so nice job, Austin. Make sure you fill out each spot. So nice job. So I have to say I'm very proud of you guys because the question was how many more to make 10, and all of you knew it was 7, so fantastic. All right, so we got 4 more, so we need to add 4 more tallies, and we're going to make them yellow. Oh, yellow's a little hard to see. We'll do red for today. So 1, remember when it's 5, we have to cross. 2, 3, 4. Now we have 7. Perfect. Can we make a bundle of 10 yet? Not quite. We need 3 more popsicle sticks to make our 10. So as you remember from our calendar grid, there are some letters. We have the letter E and the letter H. There's going to be more letters, and we're going to have to use those letters to solve our secret word puzzle, which is going to be super exciting. So stay tuned to all of ours to figure out our secret puzzle. All right, let's go over our homework for today. Scholastic Learn at Home reading activity, that is in Google Classroom. You just go on there. There are more instructions in Google Classroom, so definitely check that out, please. Let's see. You are going to be doing a math lesson, watching a math lesson like you did with reading yesterday. And then you're going to be working on your workbook pages 38 to 39, and those are also attached in Google Classroom. There is a form that you have to fill out, so make sure you check that out. Just like for the reading one, make sure you do right in that because I can see it, and that's how I'm grading. Watch Number Corner video as you are doing right now. Research Beatles. I saw some friends already started researching Beatles. Nice job. Remember, it's not due. You can have until Thursday if you need it. No big deal. And remember your optional activities for specials. Remember to do your guidance lesson sometime this week, and then optional activities for art, music, and PE for Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. Remember to keep working hard. Get outside if it's nice out. If you're not able to, that's fine. But remember to fill out your Google form for, or your Google document more, rather, for Number Corner today. And to, fill it out for your math video. Have a wonderful Tuesday, boys and girls, and unfortunately, we're not going to be doing a Google Meet this week. So next week, we will definitely do it. I will send out and see what days work best for families. But have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.